So let's start with the way that things are traditionally done. Designing one frame or one listing image at a time. So what you do typically is let's say we're designing gallery slash listing images. As we know, those are square. So you create all of you have up to 8. So let's just do 2 or 3 for now. You create your squares for each of the listing images, and then you have to decide what type of messaging you're going to include in each of these. So you might type in quick text just to figure out the order that you want to display your benefits in. And then you have to find the perfect images for that product and place them in the square. So let's just use this one for example. We're going to do a hypothetical shampoo brand here. So you pick your images. Maybe you'll plop your logo on the first one just to add a little bit of authenticity. And maybe you'll start with a sentence that sums up your value prop. The best shampoo ever. I know, super creative. Maybe you want to adjust the font size a bit there. Okay, and then you would move on to the next one. Let's use this one to highlight the benefits of our shampoo. For the sake of time, I'm not going to get so into detail here. So benefit 1. Benefit 2. Benefit 3. Okay, then we would have to make some adjustments to color to make sure that this is on brand. Otherwise, this looks like a super generic product. Let's just say that these are our brand colors. We need to make sure everything is aligned. We need to make sure we got something interesting in here. So let's just add lines under each of these. Okay, as you can already see, this process isn't just tedious, but it also makes it incredibly difficult to keep your branding consistent. A slight change in font size here or there, or a misaligned logo, and suddenly your listings might look like they're all different brands altogether. So like right now, we're just designing gallery images for one product. But let's say you sell 10 or 20 different products on Amazon. Repeating this process over and over, we're human, we're all prone to errors. Things are not going to be consistent. So if you really want to establish yourself as a premium and top-notch brand, consistency is key. And that's where the design system comes in, because let's think of the design system as actually a toolbox where you have all of the foundational elements you need in that toolbox to build a home, for example. We're not going to be making the cement from scratch every time we create a new set of gallery images. That is just so time consuming. And if you have 1 or 2 products that you're selling on Amazon, maybe that's okay. Maybe they will look consistent enough. But if you have a really large catalog, you 100% need a system in place to make sure that all of your products look consistent across your entire brand. So now we're going to show you how the Amazon design system actually works.